Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple static website just like this using your S3 bucket, alright? Your Amazon S3 bucket. Alright guys, let's jump in. So this is my Amazon console right here. It's open. I'm signed in. As you can see right here, this is Amazon S3. And how do you get onto this, guys? And some of you are wondering if it's really possible to create a website here on Amazon S3, and the answer is yes. And it's very simple and it's cheap as well. It is actually for free. I'm going to show you guys. You go to the website here and you type here, go to your browser and type in AWS free tier right here. It shows you like this drop down right here, these links right here. And this right here is the free cloud computing services. Click right there. I'm just going to show you a list of Amazon services here and what they would actually cost you right here. So clearly, you guys, you can jump on this, guys, and create whatever you want to create. If you look here and you search for S3, for example, let's do S3 and search. Okay, it gives us this option right here. You can click right here. I see this is a free tier S3 service right here. And you see right here, it's really cheap. You can look at the pricing and it can inform you on how much it's going to cost you right here. The pricing on top of it here. That's the pricing. And you can see right here, you can get started for absolutely free here. And down here, you can see that it will cost you about 2.3 cents if you per gigabyte, you know. So this is really crazy, guys. And this is like first 50 terabytes per month. So that is like amazing. You can go ahead to these guys and see how far it can take you. But basically, you can launch a static website on this platform for absolutely free. All right, guys, let's see other parts of this video. So now I'm in my console, guys, and you can see right here that we need to first of all begin by creating an S3 bucket in this video. Okay, let's just go right here to services and type in S3. And we'll see right here, that's S3 service right here. Let's click on S3 service and we're going to be on this page. So once you're here, guys, you just simply go to the top here, the top right, and you click on create bucket. All right, so here is the general configuration here. Let's create a bucket here. Let's call it here Bruno buckets. Okay, let's call it Bruno buckets. Okay, Bruno buckets. And let's go down here and leave everything as is right now, and just simply click on create buckets right here. Okay, create bucket. And it says here there's an issue with this, guys. It says a bucket with the same name already exists. So let's say, okay, let's say Bruno bucket 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's leave it this way and then go down here and click on create buckets. Right, so here we are. The bucket is created right here, as we can see. Let's go into our bucket and have a look. Let's go right there, and then you see here, there's a bucket right here. You can see you can upload stuff here if you want to. Here is the properties, permissions, metrics, management, access points. Let's go right here to properties. Okay, let's go right here. You can see these are the properties of our buckets right here. Okay, so this is looking good. Let's scroll down here. And here you can click right here. You can see right here that the static website hosting says here disabled. Okay, let's go to edit. I would enable this service because we're about to create a website here, a static website. So let's click on enable button right here. And then we can see right here, hosting the website here, that's fine. Leave everything as is here. Here it gives us a clue here. It says specify the home or default page of the website here. Let's just make it index.html. Okay, and then we can now scroll down here, and this all looks good to us. We'll click on save changes right here, and now the changes are saved. And then we can simply go down here. You can see right here, this is the link here to what we just created right here. And let's have a look at this first of all. Let's go right here, open this in another tab, and see right here, it says here that it is forbidden. Okay, forbidden. We don't like this, guys. We need to ensure that we're able to access our website, online. So clearly it's not public right now. So what we'll do is go back to our bucket and we'll go right up to permissions right here, or still in properties actually. You can see right here, it says we're looking for where it says to open it up, open the IP up, right? To be able to view it online, to be public. Let's go right here to permissions and go right here to block public access. Go right here and we can edit this, guys, because it says here block all public access is on right here. So we don't want it on, so we want it to be turned off. So let's edit this. And it says here block all public access. We can untick this one and it means that everything here is released to the public. This is quite important for you to understand that this has consequences, but in this video, we're fine to do this, okay? So let's go to Save Changes right here, and it says here, are you sure you want to do this? To confirm the settings you entered right here, I'm going to click on Confirm, type in Confirm, and click on Confirm. And that is sorted. Now our bucket should be public at this point. But that's not all, guys. We need to actually create the website here on this S3, because now we just have, an open access without any website here. So that's what we do. We go to the bucket policy, still here on in permissions, go to bucket policy right here, and we need to create a bucket policy. Okay, let's go right here to edit this. Okay, and now we can create a bucket policy. I'm going to show you some text that you can paste in to fill in this in my video description. So don't worry about it. You can simply copy it and follow my guide in this video. So I'm going to go here and go to my saved document. So here am I in my, here am I in my documents, and let's just copy and paste this here. Copy this without allowing any spaces to be copied. Copy this and go to Amazon S3. Where are you? And I'm going to paste this right here. Paste it right here, and there you go. I have my policy done right here, so that is looking good. So don't forget, guys, when you do this here, it leaves you this chance here to enter your bucket name. Okay, so we have to edit this, and I'll attach this as well to the description so you know exactly what you're doing with this code. All right, so let's edit this, guys. It has to be my bucket name. So what is my bucket name? My bucket name is Bruno Bucket 123. Let me just copy this quickly. Copy this and go here and edit this. Change this. All right, so I'm going to give you an instance here before I go on with this video, guys. If you happen to write this wrongly, right, it will not save. You go here and say save changes here. It'll give you an error message right here. It says an error here, and the error is going to be with regard to the policy having invalid details. So you have to make sure that it's correct. Make sure that it's correct. So it should be 123. Bruno Bucket 123. So let's do 123 right here and try to save again, and now it will save successfully, and now it has saved. So we are good on this front. All right, guys, so it's looking good right now. So next thing we'll do now is to do some HTML, which is like the final stage of this video. So let's have a look at this top here. You can find here there is objects here. Let's go to objects, and this is where we have to upload HTML file right here. So what we'll do is I'll show you this. I'm going to jump into my files right now. So this is my download folder right here. You can see that I've saved some documents right here. There's a HTML text here. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is not, it's going to be here. This is the text right here. So I actually did this HTML here, created this HTML for the sake of this video to create an office website, right? So this is just like the HTML code for it. I'm going to just simply go here and I'm going to attach this into the S3 bucket right here as an object. So I'm going to close this right here, and I'm going to simply highlight this one. Okay, I'm going to dump this one. There's the HTML here, index.html. Okay, I'm going to do this here. I'm going to highlight it and drag it and drop it right here in the S3 bucket. Okay, so that is uploading. Okay, and let's just simply click on upload here to get it completed. All right, so this now is uploading, and it says here it's fully uploaded. So once that's sorted, guys, I can close this happily, guys, and then proceed. So let's go right here and close this. And if you recall, guys, we tried to load this page earlier and we saw that it was saying forbidden and all that, access denied. So right now I'm going to refresh this page and have you look at this website right here. So let's refresh this page. And there we go. This is our office website right here. As you can see, Bruno Bucket 123. There we go. S3.S3. So this is our website here. And this is how you can create a static website using your S3 bucket. All right, guys. That's the video. I hope you can make something that's more fun. And let's see your comments in the comment section. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and bye for now.